Getting a lot of inquiries about the super spinner and maintenance for them. So I'm going to go over some simple maintenance tricks that may help you out. And first thing we're going to do with this zipper is we're going to take off the rotors. And the reason I'm taking off the rotors is because you get hair caught in them and they do require some maintenance. Now working on this, my position would be upside down. And the reason I do this is because there are small O-rings that can actually fall out when you pull the rotors off. What you're going to need is a 12mm wrench. Now these are normal thread. These are for the caps. These caps will expose the shaft that I'm going to use a 6mm Allen wrench to take my rotors off. So the 6mm was supplied with all of the units. This here is the right side. This is normal thread. I'm going to get my Allen wrench locked in there. See, it's locked. I'm going to turn my rotor to the left, lefty loosey. Okay, when I get that rotor to come out, what you're going to see here is a small O-ring. Be sure you don't lose that. That's why I'm doing this upside down. I'm going to set that by my cap. Now I'm going to remove this left side. Now this left side is righty loosey, lefty tighty. It's reverse thread, and the reason that it is because of the directions of the spray. It would basically come loose, so we've had those reverse thread. So I'm turning this to the right to loosen. And again, your O-ring. Now the reason you may want to remove your rotors, they all come with a dental pick, and a lot of times you can get the hair out right here around the shaft without removing your rotors, but I think it's a good idea every couple weeks to remove these and basically clean the hair out. See, we've got hair here. There's a little hair around this shaft. Make sure that you clean them up real good and just inspect and make sure that you don't have hair in there. I mean, you're going to have some hair, but once it builds up, it can actually push itself down through a seal on the inside and get into your bearing, which will cause your spinners to work sometimes and not work sometimes.